Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Alpha token in Trust Wallet. Alright guys, so in order to add the Alpha token to your Trust Wallet application or your account, simply open up your browser. With your browser opened up, scroll through till you find its Ethereum contract address, copy this, minimize and open up your Trust Wallet. Please make sure your Trust Wallet account has been set up properly, and once you've opened up Trust Wallet, use the search icon at the top to simply search for Alpha. Alright guys, so once you search for Alpha, scroll through and select the Alfa Coin, which is this token here. And once you selected this option, make sure the current price, which is this price here, matches with what you see on your CoinMarketCap. So head back to the CoinMarketCap platform and it says 0.513, which is the same here, 0.1513. So guys, that's how you can add it. If you can't find the Alpha token here, simply use the icon at the top right, just beside the home. Click on this icon, click on manage crypto, select the plus icon to import. Under the Ethereum network, paste its contract address. You'd find the Alpha and its symbol, click on import, and boom, the token has been successfully added. So this is the Alpha token, just like I had showed you earlier. So guys, that's how you can add this token to your wallet. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.